Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 travel hacks to help make your next trip a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first vacation, these tips will help you save time, money, and stress. First up on our list of tips is to pack light, bring only the essentials and save on baggage fees. By packing light, you'll avoid paying extra for checked bags on flights and will have an easier time lugging your luggage around. Plus, you'll be able to pack more efficiently and make sure you have everything you need for your trip. Next tip is to use a packing cube, organize your clothes and make packing and unpacking a breeze. Packing cubes are small, lightweight bags that you can use to organize your clothes, shoes, and other items. They make it easy to find what you need and keep everything organized, so you can quickly pack and unpack your suitcase. Next up is number 3, roll your clothes. Instead of folding them, roll them to save space in your suitcase. Rolling your clothes takes up less space than folding them, and it also helps to prevent wrinkles. Plus, it makes it easy to see everything you've packed, so you don't forget any essentials. Our fourth tip is to use a reusable water bottle. Save money and the environment by refilling your water bottle instead of buying disposable plastic ones. Not only will you save money by not buying single-use plastic bottles, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce plastic waste. Tip number 5, take advantage of public transportation. Not only is it cheaper than taking a taxi or renting a car, but it's also a great way to experience the local culture. Public transportation is a great way to get around and see the sights, and it's often much cheaper than renting a car or taking a taxi. Plus, it's a great way to interact with locals and experience the culture of the place you're visiting. Up next is number 6, research free activities. Many cities have free museums, parks, and other attractions. Before you go on your trip, do some research to find free activities and attractions in the places you'll be visiting. Many cities have free museums, parks, and other activities that are well worth checking out. Coming in at number 7 is to use a money belt. Keep your cash and important documents safe and secure. A money belt is a small, discreet pouch that you can wear around your waist to keep your cash, credit cards, and passport safe and secure. It's a great way to protect your valuables from pickpockets and other thieves. Tip number 8, download translation apps. Communicate with locals and navigate unfamiliar places with ease. Translation apps can help you communicate with locals and navigate unfamiliar places, even if you don't speak the language. There are many different apps available, so do some research to find the one that works best for you. Number 9 may be the best tip on the list, and that is to take advantage of credit card rewards. Many credit cards offer travel rewards, such as free flights or hotel stays. If you're planning a trip, be sure to check if your credit card offers travel rewards. Many cards offer points or miles that can be used for free flights, hotel stays, or other travel expenses. Our last tip on today's list, be open-minded, embrace the unexpected and go with the flow. Sometimes the best memories are the ones you didn't plan for. Being open-minded and flexible will help you make the most of your trip, even if things don't go exactly as planned. Sometimes unexpected events or experiences can turn out to be the most memorable and enjoyable parts of your trip. And there you have it, 10 travel hacks to make your next trip a success. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other hacks to add, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content.